in 2022 I made off of YouTube. What's up, guys? It is your boy Jerome back at it with another video, and today we're going to be talking about my 2022 YouTube earnings. For those of you that have been following me for a couple years now, you'll know that I back in 2021 became monetized on this channel, meaning last year I was monetized for the full year. So that means now I can give you guys the full year update on how much money I made off of YouTube in 2022. I will preface this with 2022 wasn't necessarily a great YouTube year for me. I posted significantly less videos than I did in 2021, and actually a lot of my revenue from YouTube was coming from the videos that I posted in 2021, not actually the ones that I posted in 2022. But before we jump into how much money I actually made, I do want to quickly just cover some of the growth statistics around this channel. And to do that, I want to share with you guys my YouTube Studio analytics. So you can see here, as of recording this video, right now I have 2,211 subscribers. If we go over to the analytics tab here, we can actually set this to 2022 full year and take a look at all of the different stats. So first thing, in 2022, I had 152,000 views on this channel, which thanks to you guys, that is incredible. That is so many more views than I could have ever expected. And it's up 51% from 2021. Watch time. If you guys remember my video that I made when I actually got monetized, you have to get 4,000 watch hours just to be monetized on YouTube. And in 2022, I had about 6,500 hours of watch time. Again, about 50% more than in 2021. Subscribers. I gained 779, just shy of 800 subscribers in 2022. And you can see the revenue there, but I'm gonna blur it out just to build up a little bit of suspense. A couple of important things to mention here. If you go over to the revenue tab in YouTube Studio, you can see these two specific statistics called RPM and playback-based CPM. These two are metrics on how much YouTube pays out versus how much advertisers are paying to YouTube. RPM is revenue per mil, or revenue per 1,000 views. And that statistic is basically how much money YouTube is going to pay you, the creator, for every 1,000 views that you get on your channel. On the flip side, playback-based CPM. CPM is cost per mil, which is basically how much advertisers are willing to pay for every 1,000 views. So, Jerome, why are these two numbers so different? Shouldn't how much ever the advertisers are paying YouTube be the same amount that I'm earning as a creator? Well, hypothetically, yes, but YouTube's not going to let you have a platform on their website and just pay you for free. They have to take their cut too. And that's the difference between those two numbers. I do have to clarify that is a pretty simplistic definition. There's a little bit more that goes into it because YouTube's cut is supposed to be about 45%. Clearly, you can do the math here. It's a little more on my channel, but you understand the general idea. Now, if you scroll down a little bit in YouTube Studio, you can see the monthly estimated revenue per month, but also more importantly for me, the top earning content. So which specific videos are making the most amount of money on your channel. Without getting into the specific numbers, you can see that my How to Repair Beats by Dre headphones video made substantially more money than any other video that I put up. Also, interestingly enough, this video was published way back early 2021, back in February of 2021. So it's almost been 2 years since I've posted this video, but for whatever reason, during 2022, almost a year after the video had come out, was when it really started gaining traction and started to get a ton of views and earning a lot of money. And the great thing about this video was that because it is a tutorial on how to fix your broken pair of headphones that revolved around buying an actual replacement part, I just included a link to the product in the description of the video using my Amazon affiliates link, and every time someone clicked on that link and purchased the product, I got paid a small commission from Amazon. So not only was I making money on YouTube off of this video, but I was also making a little bit of money on Amazon. And interestingly enough, this one single video made over half of the money that I made on YouTube in all of 2022 across all 19 videos that I put up. I've been talking for a little bit, so maybe you've already done the math of how many views I've gotten times the RPM to already calculate how much money that I made in 2022. But without further ado, in 2022, off of YouTube ads alone, I made $786.51, which some people might say is not a lot of money, but if you remember, I made all of my top earning videos in 2021. So basically, this is all just residual income from 2021 that I have been earning in 2022. Also, maybe I'm not making very interesting content in 2022, and maybe that's something to look into. So almost $800 on YouTube, that's great. But if you remember, I also mentioned that I was making some money off of Amazon as an Amazon affiliate. I don't know if you guys have noticed by now, but every single one of my videos has a link to Amazon for all of the different equipment that I use to record these videos. Plus, like I mentioned, that Beats by Dre video has a link to the actual product. And again, I get a little bit of commission from anytime someone clicks on that link and purchases a product. So if I go to my Amazon affiliate dashboard, I can actually see how much money I made just off of Amazon, off of commissions. And in 2022, again, most of this happens to be off of that Beats by Dre video. The total comes out to be $832.71, which means the grand total that I made off of my YouTube channel in the year 2022 comes out to a grand total of $1,619.22. A lot of you might think that that is not a lot of money. And honestly, I would agree. It's not a ridiculous or substantial amount of money, but it's enough money to cover a full month's worth of rent or cover my gas every single month. It is a little bit of money, and I'm hoping that that just continues to grow as I build this channel further and further. I know that talking about money is taboo or whatever in our society. And honestly, I don't get it. For me, before I started making YouTube videos myself, or even if I was researching a career in electrical engineering, or before I even decided to get my MBA, the first thing I would always do is, what is the financial upside? Meaning, how much money can YouTubers make? How much money does an electrical engineer make? What's the average salary of an MBA grad? People care about this kind of stuff, and I don't make videos like this for it to be a flex. First off, who are we kidding? $1,600 in a year? That's not a flex. But I hope that the people watching this video understand that you can make money off of YouTube. You can make money doing a side gig or having a passion. It's possible. So I hope that you guys don't take this video as me trying to show off or anything like that. I hope you take it the way that I took it whenever I used to look at YouTubers, which is motivation to actually do the things that you're passionate about and do the things that you want to do with your life. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna try really hard to make more content in 2023, whether that is making YouTube shorts or TikToks or even full-length videos. Honestly, 19 videos in all of 2022 is kind of depressing. So I want to make it a personal goal / New Year's resolution to just make more quality videos. For those of you that have been around from the beginning, thank you guys so much. And for those that are just now joining or seeing this channel, welcome. Anyways, if you guys like the video, please smash that like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your up and coming content creator friends. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.